Attention, cadets. Welcome to the spaceport launch facility. We need your help to customize and fly the spacecraft.
Mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. We tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We tried catching it with a giant net. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Ben Digger.
Hey cadets, the C stands for connect, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy. Separators. These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their menace into a force for good. We need the cadets to move a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who is on the find some.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Theta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. There are more than ever, and are likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jones is telling you to be careful. He's right. You'll need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Bill?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First, you need to customize a spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speed, too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, 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 before they can separate you, too.
Woohoo! Check me out above! My gravity skates just fizzled out! Hey teammates, drifting in with a hot tip. We're all doing this mission in Cruiser 4. Might be you don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together.
Cadets, time is running out. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering bay. Let's get mission ready.
Here, grade number 1. How many? 2. Alright, guys, get 2 keys. Okay, yep, 2 keys per crew. Alright, guys, go here. Hello, how many? 2. Alright, guys, get 2 keys per crew. And you guys go to grade number 3.
Alright. Remember the number?
Dipper here, Chief Engineer. Come in, cadets. Do you read me? As the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds. First, pick the coolest nose design for your spacecraft. To swap, tap another nose. Simply stand back and wait for my next instruction. Pick quickly, whichever nose is on your spacecraft when the timer runs out.
I like it.
Now, time's up. In 5, 4,
Sure.
3, 2, one. Good job, cadets. You picked your first bricks. Now pick the wings. Remember, you need wings to zoom away from the separators so they don't catch
There's fire.
you and do what separators do best. Make your pick in 5,
It's a
4,
fire crab.
3, 2, 1. Great wings, cadets. Pressing on. Tap the screen to try them out. Try different ones. It doesn't have to be right the first time. Pick
I
your
like it. Yeah.
5, 4,
Looks best.
3,
Go back to
2,
John.
1.
That's true. We should have tried a variety.
There's just time for one quick final choice. Take something extra that will really grab the separators' attention.
Fast.
This means they'll chase you to the asteroid.
Or balloons. Oh,
Which one?
the balloons.
Hurry now. Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing teamwork, cadets.
Oh my
You
god.
did it.
I kind of love her.
Wow!
Yeah.
That looks awesome, Rocketeers! Fast and stylish! Upload your design to the loading bay so you can go for launch. Good luck, cadets.
At least one
Fifth
of us.
Dipper, over and out.